welcome back. I've been mucking around for a bit, but I figured let me take you along for the ride. Changing out the headlight bulbs. Let me get you a better view. Alright, so there's a latch here. I've already swung it up. It took a bit of effort, so you pull that up, and then the headlight's supposed to pop out. On the other side, there you go, it's down. I don't know if you can really see that. So you push this button, and then you swing this piece up, and then the headlight should pop out. Unclip. Ow! You pull this screw, unclip this, and unclip these two little ones. The backing comes off, and then you've got access to the bulb. This one is the projector. The one further down is, I believe, the high beam. I am just changing the projector. And this is what I'm going with. So, when I took out that headlight, I noticed that the lens was separating from the housing. So, well, let me just show you. Just doing a little baking. Shh, don't tell the wife. Working on the car, I don't know if you can see, the wires are split, they're dry rotting. So I need to fix that before we put this back in. So I am going to wrap this in electrical tape. See you in a sec. So what was only a couple of seconds for you was about 10 minutes. So just wrapped up all the wires, make sure nothing is exposed. Throw it back in, test it, and then we'll get onto the LED part and see if I can figure that out, because for some reason, I'm not getting anything. Okay, so this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. Passenger side is wired up. Since I'm in here, I might as well do the driver's side, wrap the wires. If one side is like this, I'm sure that the other side is the same way. But before I do that, I'm going to mess around with the LED, see if I can get that to work. Anyone that knows me knows that I don't like wires. Once bitten, twice shy. Another story for another time. Anyhow, so what I've done was, it took me a little bit of time because, again, I'm not a wiring guy, but I would like to document me successfully figuring something out. Even though it's a small, insignificant to most, it's a document for myself. So, what I was doing is, this bulb has negative and positive, and when I was plugging them onto the back side of the lighting, housing, fan, heat dissipation area, I wasn't getting any light. So what I've done is disconnected that, use the positive, and then the negative cable, just plug it right into the light. So now we have an extra ground. So what I will do is I will just tape that up and shove it in the back. But let's go check, see how I did. Just plug in the wiring harness into the back of the headlight housing. Wow. Okay, give me 1 second and I'll give you a close-up. So bright white. Halogen yellow. Time for the driver's side. Wrap the wires, tuck everything back in, wire it up the same way I did the passenger side, and we've got headlights. LED headlights. We had headlights before. So just thought I would jump in and show you how bad these wires are. See, look how stripped those are there. Up here, there's nothing really attached to it. I mean, sheathing wise, these are just bad. I guess 2003, 2023. Back to wrapping. One is complete. Time to put the headlight in. First you gotta put the wiring harness. Clip that bad boy on. Now you gotta line up this little slot here, and this little slot here, and this one as well. Not the easiest thing, but definitely not the hardest thing. Don't forget to pull that lever back down. Now it's in. And don't forget, the backing will not fit on with that kind of bulb. One in. Let's go for two. It's not over, because I did take out the air box, the air filter box, to clean it, as well as to give me some more room, because this is the first time I'm doing this, so I wanted to be able to see what I was doing. So now that will go back in. I won't bore you with taking that in and out, I don't think. Alright, now I'm going to tackle the fog lights. They're not very difficult to do from what I understand. Plug and play. Not like the LEDs. I've raised the car. Let me just take you along and show you what I've done. So I raised the car, and yes, there are stands under there, just to make it easier to see, as well as to show you what needs to be done. Nothing ever goes as planned. They sent me the wrong bulb. Let me show you. The one on the left is the OE bulb. The one on the right is the LED. You can see the housing. One, it's really tall. Two, the housing here is much thicker than over here. So they sent me the wrong one. I wonder how long it's going to take for them to fix this. On to something else. That is the company. So things escalated. The front grille is now off. So they sent me the wrong bulb for the fog light, and I got to digging, and well, now I removed the grille. The problem is, I ordered a while ago the grille, but I didn't realize it came in 3 pieces. So the surrounding that you see on the right, the grille, which is in the middle of the one on the left, and that centerpiece there. So I'm going to put in the centerpiece into, oh, no I can't because I need the grill still. Damn it. Okay, well, I guess I am jumping online and ordering. That semi-dealt with. I'm torn. I don't know which one I prefer. You guys let me know down below what you prefer. Let's take a look. So there she is, but without the grill. So the fogs are in, the surround is in, but no grill. What do you think? I don't think I like it. I don't think I like it. Maybe it's just because there's no color on it and it just looks like floating headlights or floating fog lights. But I don't know.
Alright, let's see what those headlights look like now that it's a little bit darker. Again, didn't get to do the fogs. They set the wrong bulbs. Let's take a look at these headlights. Not too bad. Should be able to see wherever you're driving now, eh? Can't wait to get those fogs in too.